Chunnu Munnu runs land.
Chunnu Munnu found a shiny cam on the table next to some jam. He picked it up and giggled loud. Let's take pictures and make mom proud. He learned to hold it nice and tight, not too low and not too high. Look through the lens and what do you see? A happy world in front of me. Click with the button, snap, snap, snap. Photos of flowers and daddy's cap. They took a picture of their cat, then of each other, imagine that. Munnu says, don't forget the light. Bright and sunny makes it right. Chunnu nods and steady too. That way pictures come out true. When they're done they sit and look at all the photos they just took. Smiling faces, sky so blue. Cameras help us save memories too.